Meaning of imbizo.
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 Imbizo. Imbizo is a Zulu word that refers to a traditional gathering of people convened by a leader or chief for discussion and decision-making on important matters affecting their community. These gatherings are characterized by open dialogue, debate and the sharing of ideas to reach consensus and find solutions to problems. Imbizos are an important cultural practice in South Africa and are still used today for various purposes such as political mobilization, community development and public engagement. The impact of imbizo can be seen in the strengthening of social cohesion, the promotion of democracy and good governance and the empowerment of marginalized communities.